Hi everybody, this is CR number 17, helper video number 2. It says write an equation that represents the following statement. 5 less than the product of R and 2 is 3. Okay, the first thing I like to do is right above the words that you see, I like to go ahead and write the number or the symbol or the operation that matches the statement. So this says 5, obviously that one's pretty easy, I can write a 5 above it. Less than tells me two things. First thing less than tells me is that it's subtraction. So I'm going to go ahead and write the subtraction. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to highlight that. Let me do it in pink because that means I have to go back to explain something else on that one. So let's go with the next thing, the product. Well, product means multiplication. So I'm just going to put a dot above it because it means multiplication. But this of R and 2 tells me what I'm multiplying. So because the product is of R and 2, that would mean 2 times R, okay? So 2R means product of R and 2. Is, another word for is equals. That's the symbol that represents the word is. And 3 is just written as 3. Let's go back to the words less than. So less than doesn't just mean subtraction. It also means to change the order. So think about this. If I tell you I have 5 less than the $10 you have, you're going to start with the $10 you have and subtract the 5. Even though I said I have 5 less than that. I started with me, but in order to solve that problem, we need to reverse the order. And the same is true here. So instead of the 5, we're going to start with the 2R, then subtract the 5, and then that equals 3. So remember, less than not only means subtraction, but it also means to reverse the order, and that matches B. So good luck to you.